iQuanta is launching its last batch for CAT 2023.
One of the major concerns for students will be, can I crack CAT now with 99 plus percentile? Of course you can. If you just put in 1% extra effort every day over the next 150 days, you'd be doing 4 times more work than someone who joined in the month of January. Similarly, if you put 1% less effort, you'll be doing only 0.22 of total work. So that's the power of consistency, be that 1% guy. The second concern is, will I be able to finish CAT syllabus if I start right now? iQuanta involves dual pedagogy in which 70% classes are application and 30% are conceptual. This whole will be covered in 4 months and we keep last 2 months reserved for rigorous practice via CAT crash course. The last concern is, did students from iQuanta's last batch get 99 percentile? The answer is a resounding yes. Those who started from scratch at this time got 99 percentile and ended up at top IIMs. For results and CAT course details, visit iQuanta.in.
What, according to you, is the advantage of iQuanta? Okay, I think all of them came at the same time somehow. We'll start with you.
Flexible timing.
Instant outsource.
Peer-to-peer learning.
You can revise the classes anytime.
It's iQuanta.
Hi, my name is Abhishek Lila Pandey. I have scored 99.9 percentile 4 times in a row. Apart from that, I have scored 770 in GMAT. I'm a published writer of 7 books and a certified mathematician from Kyoto University, Japan. I teach VARC and Quant at iQuanta.
I am Sajjan Barnwal, multiple times 99.8 plus percentile in CAT, Quant and LRDI mentor at iQuanta. I am one of the topmost poker player in India and I use my poker skills to teach mathematics.
CAT is considered to be one of the most difficult exams on the planet. What exactly is required to crack CAT? Relevant content, rigorous practice and instant doubt clarification. iQuanta's content is so well designed that a lot of questions appear directly or indirectly in real CAT paper. I don't claim it, but our students do. Why do they claim so? Because as a team, Mr. Indrajit Singh, Mr. Sajjan Barnwal, the whole academic team of iQuanta and I analyze all models of questions every year and curate content around it.
Why do iQuanta have so many 99 percentilers? क्योंकि हमें पता है इसके लिए हार्ड वर्क और स्मार्ट वर्क दोनों चाहिए. स्मार्ट वर्क पार्ट इज कैटर्ड बाय iQuanta's technique, multiple efficient solutions to each problem. We teach the concepts in 2 ways. First, conceptual live stream sessions जहाँ पे टीचर ड्राइविंग सीट पे होते हैं, एंड सेकेंड, एप्लीकेशन सेशंस जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स ड्राइविंग सीट्स पे होते हैं, मेकिंग श्योर दैट अ CAT aspirant has done all the topics conceptually as well as they are also able to apply them. And for the hard work, we make sure students practice all type of questions in their CAT preparation phase 1, later in the IIM ABC practice batch, and in the last 2 months via CAT comprehensive crash course. So basically, we cover the syllabus 3 times.
And not just 99 percentilers. At iQuanta, there are multiple examples where students have rose from low percentile to very high percentile. In case they get doubts during a live class, they get solved instantly within a few seconds. And during self-preparation, if they get doubts, they get solved within 15-20 minutes, 24/7. We make our students solve CAT level questions in exact CAT-like environment through our mocks. To be a part of this amazing journey, go for iQuanta CAT course